Hey, the horn works. That's funny. So yeah, the HEI is all installed. Got the wire routing all handled. And I guess I better keep talking so I don't have copyright issues. But yeah, 273 is taking shape. A little coughing. I think this side of the carburetor is not quite right. So I've got to pull it off anyhow. It never did get cleaned. I'm just running with what I had. It was working before, kind of, and I didn't want to mess with too many different things, so I wouldn't know what the problem is. But yeah, the HEI is all installed, timing's all done, and buttoning it up for the night.